If you're curious about induction cooking or you just need one more burner in your kitchen, we have expert-tested recommendations for the best portable induction cooktop for most home cooks. There are many portable induction cooktops to choose from with different features and prices. I researched and compiled a list of the best portable induction cooktops from top brands. These products can help people like you. Check the description for pricing and details. Let's get into the video. Number 1. Duxtop Portable Induction Cooktop. The Duxtop Portable Induction Cooktop is a versatile and efficient cooking solution that brings modern technology to your kitchen. This compact unit packs a punch with its 1800 W power capacity, making it ideal for various settings, from home kitchens to dorms and RVs. Its portability is a standout feature, allowing for easy storage and transport. One of the most impressive aspects of this cooktop is its precise temperature control. With 20 preset power levels and temperature settings ranging from 100 degrees to 460 degrees, it offers unparalleled cooking flexibility. The high energy efficiency of 83% outperforms traditional gas or electric stoves, translating to quicker cooking times and lower energy bills. Safety is clearly a priority in Duxtop's design. The digital LCD sensor touch control panel includes a child safety lock and an auto pan detection feature that shuts off the unit if no compatible cookware is detected. Speaking of compatibility, it's important to note that this cooktop requires magnetic cookware with a minimum diameter of 5 inches. Number 2. Breville Polyscience Induction Cooktop. The Breville Polyscience Induction Cooktop, aptly named the Control Freak, is a game-changer in precision cooking. This innovative appliance boasts a through-the-glass pan temperature sensor that directly touches the pan, allowing for unparalleled accuracy in temperature control. The probe control feature is particularly impressive, maintaining ingredient temperature stability within a mere 1.8 degrees, a level of precision that professional chefs and culinary enthusiasts alike will appreciate. One of the standout features of this cooktop is its ability to set and hold any temperature between 86 degrees and 482 degrees for extended periods. This wide range and stability make it suitable for various cooking techniques, from gentle simmering to high heat searing. The patented twin fan cooling system ensures continuous operation even in the most demanding kitchen environments, a testament to its durability and performance. Compatibility is not an issue with this cooktop, as it works with any induction-compatible cookware between 4.5 and 10 in diameter. With 1800 watts of power, it delivers quick and efficient heating. Number 3. Isolar Induction Cooktop. The Isolar Induction Cooktop offers an impressive blend of versatility and convenience for home cooks. With 18 power levels ranging from 100 W to 1800 W, adjustable in 100 W increments, this cooktop provides precise control for a wide variety of cooking techniques. Whether you're simmering delicate sauces or searing steaks, the Isolar has you covered. Temperature control is equally impressive, with 17 preset levels spanning from 140 degrees to 460 degrees. The ability to adjust in 20 degrees increments allows for fine-tuning your cooking temperature, a feature that will appeal to both novice and experienced cooks. The large, sensitive touch buttons enhance usability, making operations smooth and intuitive. Portability is a key selling point of the Cellar. Its compact design, measuring just 2.3 inches thick, makes it easy to store and transport. Number 4. Hamilton Beach Induction Cooktop. The Hamilton Beach Portable Single Induction Cooktop is a compelling option for those seeking efficiency and versatility in their cooking experience. One of its standout features is its impressive heating speed, boasting a 40% faster heat-up time compared to typical smooth-top ranges. This rapid heating capability is exemplified by its ability to bring 1.5 quarts of water to a boil in just 7 minutes, a significant time saver for busy cooks. The cooktop's versatility extends to its pan compatibility, accommodating cookware from small 4-inch saucepans to larger 10-inch frying pans and stockpots. This flexibility essentially provides an extra burner wherever it's needed, making it ideal for small kitchens or as a supplement to existing cooktops. A thoughtful inclusion is the induction test magnet, helping users easily determine if their existing cookware is compatible. Number 5. Cuisinart Double Induction Cooktop. The Cuisinart Double Induction Cooktop is a versatile and efficient cooking solution that brings the power of induction technology to any space. This portable unit features 2 separate burners, each with its own heat settings and 150-minute timer, offering unparalleled flexibility for cooking multiple dishes simultaneously. The left burner boasts 8 heat settings, while the right has 5, allowing for precise temperature control across a wide range of cooking tasks. One of the standout features of this cooktop is its energy efficiency, using up to 70% less energy than conventional cooktops. This, combined with its rapid heat-up time and consistent heating, makes it an excellent choice for both everyday cooking and entertaining. The smooth glass surface not only looks sleek but is also easy to clean, adding to its convenience. Safety is clearly a priority in the design, with features like automatic shut-off 30 seconds after pan removal and flame-free cooking. The cooktop's compatibility with induction-ready cookware ensures optimal performance, though it does limit the types of pans that can be used. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know the product price, please check my video description. Looking for any queries, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.